How you doing?
Good. What you doing?
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to them. Ha ha!
You're so funny.
I am braiding wire, and it's not working out too well.
Oh.
Ow.
Hey, babe.
Huh?
Why are you so fascinated by nipples?
Well, I wasn't breastfed enough as a baby.
So you were
And-
deprived?
Yeah, I was deprived.
Gotcha.
And it feels so fucking good. You know? I don't know what it is. That's the only thing I can think of is I wasn't breastfed as a baby. I was thrown to grandma because mom about died.
So you had
Good Lord, I hope grandma didn't nurse me.
saggy grandma tits? Now you're scarred.
44 extra long.
Oh, God.